Laundry. It's not exactly rocket science, but there are a few best practices you can use for a better wash experience. Check your clothing labels for washing instructions. Turns out those pesky little tags are pretty useful. If you've ever washed a pen, gum, or a crayon, it's a good reminder of why you should always check your pockets before you toss your clothes into the washer. It might save you from ruining your clothes. So here's the rundown on detergent. If you're using liquid soap, 1/4 cup is all you need. For pods, you only need 1, and it goes right in the washer drum, never in the detergent slot. Do yourself a favor and stay away from powdered detergents. They may be cheap, but can leave a gunky mess. It's tempting to cram all your clothes into one load. For the best clean, the washer should only be 3/4 of the way full. Just check the handy decal on the machine. Don't fill above the max line, and you should be A-OK. Modern washes are designed to use less water. Pouring in extra water is unnecessary and could lead to flooding and damage the machine. Most machines have sensors, and the door or lid needs to be completely closed before it will start. If using a coin machine, don't insert foreign or bent coins or you could be jamming. And not in a good, funky dance moves kind of way. Clothes need room to move around with the warm air to dry. Packing it too full will just leave you with wet, wrinkled clothes, and that's not a good look. If the lint screen has enough buildup that you can knit a sweater, it's time for a clean. In fact, for best airflow, it should be cleaned before and after every use. Practice good laundry room etiquette and clean the machine and open the door so it's fresh and ready for the next use. Nobody wants to do laundry in a sticky, stinky machine. Thanks for watching! Visit wash.com and follow us on social media for more videos and best practice tips.